Okay, guys, when you buy a new GoPro, most people are like me, you don't want to read the instructions. I just rather watch my YouTube videos and just go do it. But you have to format your unit to your SD card. If you don't, you're going to get ghost images, you're going to have problems videoing, and there's going to be nothing there. So what I do is you first get your camera, I turn it upside down. Easiest way to do this, flick this up until you see the red. You open that. There's your battery. Now, I'm going to keep it this way. I know it's going to be this way. I mean, you can always match up the prongs to what's in there, but I prefer to do it this way. And then I get my micro SD card. This is what it came with from Costco. It came with the 32, so I'm going to stick with the 32 just for this demonstration. I already have my 128. This is a SanDisk Extreme, so I got a SanDisk Extreme higher card for this. So, but I'm just going to use the 32 for this. I can put it into the slot. See that? And it's spring loaded. So use your fingernail, push it down until you hear click, and it's in there. Okay. Now we had to tape up like this. We're going to put the battery back until you hear and feel it go click in there. It's going to be like a little snug fit. And push this down so the red's not showing. That's it. It's in there. Okay, to turn your unit on, and turn on. Try it again. There you go. Wasn't pressing it hard enough. Okay, unit is on. Okay, it's telling me that with that 32 micro gigabyte card that we're going to have 1 hour and 16 minutes shooting, depending on what type of terrain and quality I'll be shooting under. So that's good to know, is that the number over there on the upper left tells you how much time you have on that card. Now, to correctly do your card, you swipe down, see preference, hit preference, scroll all the way down, see reset, press reset, and on the top it says format SD card. So we hit that. It's asking you, do you want to format it? Now you got to remember, if you don't delete all your information off the card, you will lose it. So I'm just going to hit format because I already took everything off. It's now formatting that card. All done. That means it's all done. So that's it. Turn your unit off. That's it, guys. Very simple. Thanks.